Come on in, guys. There's Curtis. It's freaking raining. There goes Josh. Oh snap! Josh just got Hunter really bad. Where the heck is? Oh, there's Justin. Hey, Curtis. God. Yeah. I didn't get shot. No, Josh shot me in the friggin' finger. Again.
Hey, we're still going. Go back. Yeah, we are. Go back.
I am starting up again. Curtis jumped in the foxhole like an idiot.
Go back.
Why'd you guys stop? You ruined the video.
No, really.
Because he thought you had his CO2 pistol.
Yeah.
Well, obviously he doesn't. And Curtis isn't that stupid to go in the water with it.
I think it's starting to rain.
Go back to where you were.
Wow, it's like stopping now.
It's better in the rain. Are you still videotaping?
Yeah?
Go.
I forgot about that.
Ready?
Gosh, I just had like 30 seconds full of nothing. Just like my thigh.
Go!
Go, if you shoot me, I'll kill you. Here it is, oh my god. And there goes Josh, bye-bye. Hi, Josh. Hi, Josh.
Curtis, you might need to get Justin from the barn.
Where's Justin?
You homo!
He's not a pallet.
He shot me in the foot.
Jamming.
If you shoot me again. Shut up. What are you doing, Curtis? Oh man, now it's really starting to rain. Here comes the rain. Dude, now every time a rain pellet hits you, it's gonna feel like a BB. Getting all wet. Oh god, it's really starting to downpour now. I think we might have to go inside.
Hey, this is the reason why I bring these.
Didn't work, Josh.
Oh,
Didn't work.
no, because it didn't make enough noise.
Ah.
Next time it worked.
I'm gonna get in the barn.
Get it in. Yeah.
Oh, let's see if I can put it through this crack.
That's how you might shoot you.
Yeah, there's Justin out there. Justin's behind that pallet. You know, it's being gay. You're gonna make him shoot me.
I'll push you out if I have to.
I'm gonna go in the middle.
Curtis, this isn't working. Hey, Curtis.
Yeah?
Ready to fall back.
That was loud. Ah, crap falling on my screen now.
Dude, all the rain's falling on my screen.
Go, go. Well, maybe if you talk, you might be able to hear you.
And they win. Curtis. And shutting off.